Hey guys, it's me, Carla. It's crafting with Carla. Um, there's a whole lot of I guess you would call it information about affirmations. Affirmation information. That's fun to say. And so in today's episode, I wanted to teach you how to make an affirmation thingy. And this is really a special thing because every time you feel down, if somebody is yelling at you or not understanding you, or like nobody gets you, nobody understands you. You just look at your little affirmation thingy, and then you're gonna feel okay again. So let's get started. Excuse me. So first you need a thingy. My thingy is a box. It's actually, don't tell anybody, it was actually from a bakery. A bad girl went to a bakery. And so I unfolded the box. It wasn't glued, it was just a series of tabs and things. I took it apart, I turned it inside out, I made a doohickey. And so all you need is a thingamajig like this, and then you're ready to go. You need some puff paint. You may remember my puff paints from episode 1 when I showed you how to make your very own 3D YouTube intro graphic, which is this. And you'll notice that it was really puffy, and then it dried. It got flat. That's okay. Things just get flat when they get older. So we have some colors, and we have our doodad here, and we're just going to write our affirmation on our what's it. And so you have a choice depending on what your thingamajig is. If you want to write it this way, like if you have like a lot of short words, you might want to go this way. If you have a fewer number of long words, you might want to go this way. So it's a little bit of a brain teaser. And if you have just a whole lot of words and you're feeling a little bit like you need a lot of affirmations on your thingamabob, you could just write it all the way around. You might not want to use puff paint to write all the way around. You'll get it on your hands. Okay, so let's get started. Excuse me. So I decided that for my whatchamacallit, I'm going to do it this way, and I'm just going to write my favorite affirmation. If you don't have a favorite affirmation, you can copy mine, or you can search online for best affirmations. I don't know what other people do. So let's choose a color. I'm going to choose purple. And I remember from episode 1 that these have little things inside of them. So I gotta take it. Come on. Fuck. I got it. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so it's a little messy. But sometimes life is a little messy. It's okay. It's a good reminder that things aren't always what you expect. So I hate having paint on my fingers, you guys. Okay, so my affirmation, let's go ahead and write it. Oh, fuck. I only have one of these. My favorite affirmation is I'm trying. This is the worst why ever. I need to get another box. Oh my god, there's not enough paint in here. It's brand new. I'm really trying to write. I'm trying. Oh my. I think I'm gonna run out of paint before I finish. Come on, I just want to finish this G. I can't. There! I did it. And that's it. It's really easy. That's how you make your affirmation thingamajig. Okay, I can't wait to see pictures of what you make. And I hope you don't have to use up your whole thing of purple to make it. But that's just how life is sometimes. Okay, bye everybody.